Pretty bird. Billy Bob, where are ya?
Little Joe, welcome to my humble office. Doc, how are
There he is. Playing peekaboo.
I hope you're not in the need of my services today.
Hi.
I'm not here for any medicine. I just want you to meet
Hi,
her.
Billy Bob. Aren't you cutie?
She's new in this country and I'm just showing her around town.
Yes, you are. You're a cute little bird. You're a cute little bird. Oh. Aren't you gonna do more? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. See? Not going anywhere near your cage there. See? Yeah. That's a pretty little bird. Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. That's a pretty bird. That's a pretty bird. Oh, yes. You gonna talk now? Yeah, you could talk. You're talking, aren't you? Yes, you are.
Always happy when can be of help to Kuan Yin, Goddess of Mercy.
If you ever desire work,
Pretty bird.
you are more than welcome with
Oh, look at what you're eating. What you eating, silly? You eating some seeds? Are those some seeds? Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, bird.